This is the elevator, Old Main at Slippery Rock University in Slippery Rock, Pennsylvania. This is Schindler 321A elevator. I wonder if it's low pitch or regular. It's probably regular. Yeah, it's regular and the chime is quiet. There's a low pitch 338 here. Lower level, bring it down. There's like cigarettes in here. It's not great. Hello? Go to 3. Creaky elevator. We've done a lot. It's a basic stainless steel cab. Kind of disappointing for an old main building. It's supposed to be like historic. I think the cabinet's open. Yeah, it is. I guess the yellow marks is make sure it's on that when you're done using whatever. Emergency light does work. It's kind of dead though. You're back on 1. There's another entrance over there. I'm guessing that's gonna be it.